Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hey, I had a subscriber talk to me about mixing the color Moonglow. So I looked on the label, and Moonglow is made up of 3 different pigments. It's made up of Viridian, PG18, Ultramarine Blue, PB29, and Anthracenoid Red, PR177. Now, I do not have Viridian and I do not have Anthracenoid Red here in this studio, but I'm going to try something similar. So I'm going to take, I have some Moonglow squeezed out in my palette over here. So I'm going to take some of that and just swatch it out. And we have this lovely, nice shadow purpley color. So I thought I would take it and try to mix it with some more common colors. So I'm going to take alizarin crimson, and I think that you can see my palette over here. So I've got Daniel Smith paints, and I'm going to take some alizarin crimson, rinse my brush, and sap green, which is not Viridian, but it's green, and some French ultramarine blue. And I'm just using a cheap brush that I use for mixing and digging around in this palette. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to dull down my red a little bit because I think it's a little too cool. So I'm going to take a little bit of this green. I need a paper towel because that water keeps dripping off. I'm going to take this sap green and I'm just going to mix it in with this alizarin crimson just a little bit. And then I'm going to take the French ultramarine because we do have a purple undertone here. And I'm going to bring some of this French ultramarine down into this red. Okay, so it is starting to turn. Red and blue make purple. And that's more like a wine color. I'm going to bring a little bit more. Okay, let me take just a teeny tiny bit more green. Okay, that's really flipping it brown, so I'm going to bring some more blue. Okay, so that's starting to look a little closer. Let me bring just a little bit more blue over here. Let's see if that gets close. Well, that's pretty close. It's not an exact match, but that is pretty close. So you've seen what I did. I took some alizarin crimson and toned it down with a little bit of sap green. So that doesn't have much green in it. And then brought in some French ultramarine blue. And I just adjusted and just kind of watched my tone as it went on. Was it more red or was it more blue? And when it went one way or the other, then I pulled some green in to neutralize it. So I think that's a pretty good match, and I think you could probably get by with those 3 pigments if you have them to make a Moonglow color. So thanks for joining me, guys. Talk to you later. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, and I'll see you next video. Bye.